No había día para que corría.
No, entonces mira, iba.
Encerrada yo en la cama estaba.
Ahora que vienen saliendo.
¿Qué pasó, mi niña?
Sí, está.
Bom dia. You okay? What are you doing under there? Huh? Mi yemek? Evet. Koyuyorum sana. Aferin sana. Bekle, yumurta da koyayım. ¿Por qué? ¿Pero por qué? ¿Por qué? Cosa tóxica. La mordés fuerte. Oh.
Basta, Juan Cruz.
What's going on? Can I help you? What's the problem? Rumi, sen nereden çıktın kız? Evet Peri. Öğret kızım. Şimdi sana da koyacağım yumurta. Al kızım. Bekle, keseceğim.
Finally, the dog.
Jingle, you're on TV.
Oh
my goodness. That's you. Mr. Goose.
Cheese. One more cheese. I think we got one.
Jingle.
You definitely.
You're famous. You made it, Mr. Goose.
Odin, what are you doing? Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed?
It's not a bad
Huh? Is that it? Oh my
Wow. Ooh, that's unexpected.
Oh, buddy.
Gallifrey, it's bread. It's bread. It's bread. It's just bread.
Don't mess up my bed. Don't mess up my bed. No. Don't do that. Don't mess up my bed. Don't do it. You relax.
Ты комбинатор великий. Жопа эдакая.
And stranded when the animal gets spooked. For someone to come out of the desert of Oman in this kind of environment by themselves, quite suicidal. It makes no sense to me because now he is left with a sandwich. Hey Cody, I see some crap over here.
Look at that, man. It's like a nightmare that's just beginning.
Beep. Princess.
What is going on here? Templeton. You are actually giving treats to Belle. What? Guilty. Seriously. No way.
What is this? This one makes noise? This one doesn't make noise. Which one do you want, Bossy?
Like her back half is faster than her first half. It's like her.
Uh-oh. Did you just drop Mr. Snuggie? Okay, but you gotta go get him. Go get him. You can't just bark at him. He's not gonna jump up. You drop Mr. Snuggie. And all the other ones too. What do you want Mom to do? Do you want me to get him for you? Okay. Last time, buddy. Last time. There you go. Tomato. And a little cheese. One chip. No. Burger. Burger's better. Oh. And you forgot the cheese. No cheese? Oh, okay, Salinger. There you go.
Sunday, I'm signing you up for kitty therapy. No, I am. I don't care if you don't like it because you have a little anger problem and I didn't raise you like this. And I want you to know that I'm your mom and I love you. And I don't know if you, Sunday, do not raise that little paw. Sunday, I'm trying to love on you and you continue to be violent. So you are going to kitty therapy. Yeah, you are. You going. I don't care if you don't like. You're going to kitty therapy to get your life together because you have anger problems. See? Hey, stop that. It's not very kind, is it? Well, I'm not putting my arm there anymore. It's not kind. Stop that. I've got stuff to do. I mean, why?
I'm gonna make one deal with you. Listen to me. We have to go to the pet store. We have to go to the pet store. But we're not getting good stuff there. I have to get you shampoo and stuff for your bath. And I'm not trying to be mean to you, honey, but you're very, very stinky. It's okay. Everybody gets stinky. But here's what I will tell you. If you're a good girl at the store, Mommy will let you pick out a surprise. Would that be something that you want to do? Pick out a surprise from Pet Supermarket? All right, shake on it. You gotta behave, okay? All right. Gary.
Yeah! Yeah!
Spicy. Are you spicy?
Canım acıyor.
Meow.
When your non-snuggly cat wants to cuddle, it's like, is he dying or am I?
Oh shit! Sorry.
What do you want? That's not how we communicate in this house. Oh.
It's okay, Kelly. Come here, honey. Come here.
What?
Say I love you. I love him. Say I love you. I love you. Vinny, say I love you. Say I love you. Yeah.
I can't even handle it. I cannot handle it. Look at these cute babies. Look at that tail. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at you two. Perfect baby.
Jackson, if a stranger came up to you and said, "I'm your dad's friend and I'm here to pick you up," what would you say? No, not butt smacks. No!
Good morning, Maggie. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
I get the little spicer with the little kitty who. Spicer the spicer, get the little spicer. I love the little spicer, the little cattle box.
It's okay, buddy. It'll be over quick. Yeah, that's a good boy.
Cookie, he hasn't even left yet. Cookie. Sir.
Watch, when I open the glass door, he's gonna sniff the air and then make like a frustrated little huff about how cold it is.
Asteroid, hey. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow.
You ready? Oh, good boy up there. Good boy.
You need to eat your food. No! I'm not giving you another. That's the most specialist food of all the special food options we have.
Lucille won't stop staring at the wall. And I'm just like, please blink. Please blink. Please show us you're alive. Please. Anything. Any movement, anything, please. Please. It's creeping me out.
Oh my God, Harvey. Harvey.
不让人家关冰箱哦。哎，哈气。
Do you wanna rob a bank? Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat?
It's Josh.
Oh, he's so cute. Come on. George, come here. Come on. Come on. You almost got it. You almost got it.
Trying to water the plants.
Cookie, it's just the mailman out there. It's gonna be okay. Cookie. Oh my goodness.
Hey, hey! Walter! Hey! Walter! Walter! You? No! Walter! 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 You're the one that walked up there by yourself! You walked up there. You can walk back down.
Bitch, please.